So I got some chicken breasts and some strawberries, and I'm gonna make strawberry feta chicken. Just cutting up my strawberries and putting them in a smaller dish, and then I'll add some glaze to them and put them in the fridge with a little bit of mint, and they'll rest in the fridge until the chicken is ready. So I'm just gonna squirt on some balsamic glaze. Sorry, I don't measure anything. It looks like chocolate sauce.
No, I'm gonna wash my...
Just give it a quick stir, and in the fridge it goes. So here's my chicken. I sprayed my pan. So this is the spice I'm going to use for my chicken. 0 calories. Gotta love that. So here's what it looks like before. Cutting up romaine lettuce. So my lettuce is all washed, and this is the feta I bought. I'm just going to crumble feta on top of my lettuce and cut up my chicken. Put on top some of your strawberries and balsamic glaze that have been in the fridge on top of that. This is the dressing I use. It's low in calories and it tastes delicious. There you have it. Strawberry feta chicken salad.